Yo, Adam Saxton with Guy in a Cube, and in this 2-Minute Tuesday, we're gonna take a look at custom visuals. Power BI comes with awesome visuals that are in the box. So like when you go to Power BI Desktop, these are available for you from the visualizations area, but maybe you wanna do something where it's not part of Power BI. You don't see it in Power BI Desktop or it doesn't do what you want it to do. That's where custom visuals come in, and custom visuals can be created by anyone and used with the Power BI platform. So how do we get custom visuals? And there's a couple different ways you can do it. The custom visuals themselves are hosted up in AppSource, but not only that, you may have internal custom visuals that are available for you with inside of your organization, and those may not be available on AppSource. So you may have to go figure out where those are located within your organization. Maybe there's an internal portal somewhere or something of that nature. But what I'm gonna focus on is the AppSource area where you can go get those from the marketplace. And I'll also show you, if you do have an internal custom visual or something that's not on AppSource, how you can actually load that into Power BI Desktop as well. All right, enough of this talking, let's take a look. And if we go into Power BI Desktop, we'll see a couple things. Up on the ribbon bar, you will see custom visuals. So we can do from marketplace, or we can say from file. All right, so if I say from marketplace, this will display for me the visuals that are in the marketplace. And when we say marketplace, this is AppSource. And here I can go through and I can just kind of browse through. There's different categories. I can look at all sorts of items here and say that I want to grab the greatest custom visual of all time. All I have to do is I can come back. Let's make sure that the all category is selected. Go to the search box and type in Aquarium. Search, and boom, there it is, the Aquarium custom visual. Now we can go add this to our report and we can start using it. So let me go ahead and hit add. It says it is imported, and over in the visualizations area, you will now see a new icon. This icon is the fish icon for the Aquarium custom visual. So now it's just as easy as, let me select it. Let's make it full screen so we can see it. And then we'll come down and we'll say, let's see, say by continent, and then we'll say our sales are the fish sizes. So here we can see that we've got our fishes, and then we've got full properties available for us. So if we come down to series, I don't like fishes, I can change that over to sharks because sharks are much cooler. All right, so say that I've done this and maybe I don't want this custom visual anymore. I can go ahead and get rid of it. Let's delete it. And then I can right click on that custom visual and I can say delete the custom visual from my report. Bam, it's gone. The other way that you can work with custom visuals is I can just go ahead and hit the ellipse and I can say import from file, or I can say import from marketplace, so on and so forth, similar to the ribbon bar. So I can do it in multiple places. Now, if you have a custom visual that's inside of your organization, so it's not out on AppSource, how do you do it? That's where the from file item comes in. So it's gonna be a PBI viz file. And so I could just say from file and then browse to a location that I want on my machine to grab that custom visual. And then it will behave like the visuals from the marketplace. So there's two different ways that you can do it. You can either do it directly from AppSource and integrate it into your report, or pull it from a file that may be in your organization. And from an admin perspective, there are ways that administrators can help prevent usage of those custom visuals if they don't trust that item. So you can have certified custom visuals. You can also have organizational custom visuals that are defined by the tenant. Hopefully this helped explain for you how you can actually work with custom visuals inside of your report. If you like this video, be sure to hit that big thumbs up button, smash it if you so desire. If it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button. And as always, from both Patrick and myself, thank you so much for watching. Keep being awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.